Diversification is always good, and especially in today's market, What do you think in the current economic climate? Diversification is good, and especially with this customizable fund.
Oh, absolutely. I love it, because you can diversify not only on the asset types or the asset class, but the regions. You can diversify on whether or not it brings in high cash flow or if it's high in capital appreciation. There's some deals, I know some people in ATMs. Well, ATMs, basically it's all cash flow. At the end, the machine is dead, you throw it away. So you're not building any capital appreciation. There's other deals like development where there's maybe no cash flow at all, for a couple of years, and all of the money you're getting is capital appreciation at the end.